Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best Dreamsuit swimsuit, the Urchics Women's 2025 Tankini swimsuit. This two-piece set is designed not only to look stylish but to provide comfort and confidence with its thoughtful features. Let's start with the Tankini top. It's crafted with a long torso design and a flattering scoop neck, giving it a flowy yet fitted look that beautifully balances coverage and style. The retro floral print adds a trendy touch, making it a perfect pick for those who want a swimsuit that stands out with charm and sophistication. What really sets this top apart is its tummy control feature. It's designed to gently hide the tummy area, helping you feel secure and confident whether you're lounging poolside or enjoying a day at the beach. The Tankini top also comes with adjustable straps, allowing you to customize the fit to your body perfectly. Plus, it has removable padded cups, so you can choose the level of support you want. This makes it incredibly versatile and comfortable for a variety of body shapes and preferences. Moving on to the bottoms, the boy shorts style offers sporty, flexible coverage. These high-waisted bottoms are also designed with tummy control in mind, providing great support and shaping without sacrificing comfort. Their athletic design makes them suitable for active water sports while ensuring you feel secure. Whether you're swimming, running along the shore, or playing beach volleyball, these bottoms will keep up with you. The fabric itself is a blend of 82% polyamide and 18% elastane, which means it's stretchy and durable while maintaining a soft feel against your skin. It's also easy to care for, as it's machine washable and holds up well after multiple washes. Sizing is available from small to XXXL, accommodating a wide range of body types. The brand recommends checking the size chart before ordering to ensure the perfect fit, especially since the top's length doesn't include the shoulder straps, which are adjustable. This attention to detail means you can expect a swimsuit that fits just right, no matter your shape. Beyond its practical features, the Urchics Tankini swimsuit is imported and constructed with an elastic closure for easy wear. It's lightweight, weighing only about 8.5 ounces, making it comfortable for all-day wear. Whether you're planning a beach vacation, hitting the pool, or just looking for a stylish and functional swimsuit for summer, this Tankini offers a combination of fashion, fit, and function. It balances modesty and style, making it a versatile choice for many occasions. That's all for today's review of the Urchics Women's 2025 Tankini swimsuit, the best Dreamsuit swimsuit on the market right now. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit subscribe on Product Critique for more honest reviews and product insights. Thanks for watching.